Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I am doing a trunk club unboxing by Nordstrom's, and it is, as usual, a humongous box. I'm really looking forward to opening this one because they send you a preview and you go through and you take out things that you don't like, and they fill it if you want them to with other things. And I did take out a couple things and they filled some stuff, and it all looks cute or interesting at least. I identified that in my wardrobe I have very casual clothes and then I have work clothes, but I don't have that many kind of like in-between clothes. It's probably because of the pandemic and us being home, is that I just have very, very casual or work. I just don't have like in-between because we weren't doing any in-between things for a long time. So I'm hoping to get some in-between pieces, and I have a wedding coming up, so it'd be really nice to get a new piece for that as well. So let's see what I got. Okay, so if you've never tried Trunk Club, one thing that's different about them is everything comes individually packaged, but you'll also get purses, which make me very happy, and shoes. So let me go open everything up and try on the first outfit. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the first outfit, and I really wanted to like this dress, and I don't think it's bad. I just think the fit is a little bit off. It's gapping here, bras are showing, and I think my boobs are just too big for it. It's not laying right. This elastic needs to be farther down, and just, I want you to go down further, but it doesn't. I like how flowy it is, and it has pockets. It's by Zella. I really wanted to like this dress, but it's just not a good fit. Darn. Okay, and I also have on, they're hard to sell and I'll hold them up later, some nude wedge sandals that they have like rope on the side. They're by Valki, and they're real cute too. They might be good for the wedding, whatever I decide to wear. Okay, I'll hold them up so you can see them. Let me go try on the next thing. Okay, here's the next outfit, and it's really cute. It's really cute. Okay, we'll start with the purse. Look how cute it is. I love a purse, and I've been wanting kind of a little purse like this. I don't usually love a chain, what's it called, strap, but it's kind of fun. I don't have a purse like this at all. It's pretty cute. It's got a fun little, look at, what is that? It's like a little bird head on it. I don't know if you can tell. Okay, that's cute. We'll have to check the price. Okay, so, I mean, V-neck white t-shirt. What do you do? I mean, they go with everything. We'll check the price on it, but I mean, I like them. I like to refresh them regularly, so I will often buy these just because the other ones, they'll get grungy and I can get rid of them. So, again, that depends on the price, but I could always use a V-neck t-shirt. And then the pants are cute. They're way too long. I got short little legs and they're way too long, but I could get them tailored and they're pretty cute. Now, I will say that I bought my daughter a pair of pants just like these from Costco for like $16.99 recently, and they're very, very similar. So like, maybe I should go get some of those from Costco because I'm sure these will be more expensive, but they're probably much better quality too. Especially if I have to get them tailored. Okay, what do you think? Cute summery outfit, right? And I could potentially put on a little bit nicer shirt and wear these to a wedding too. They would be fine. These are some fun linen pants. They're by Caslon. They're fun. Tell me what you think about this. I think for me, it's really gonna depend on the price. So, all right, let me go try on the next outfit. So I had forgotten I was gonna show you the wedge heels, except for my daughter has taken them and is wearing them around the house because she loves them. I'll try to pry them off her feet before the end of the recording so I can show them to you. Okay, so here's a really weird outfit. They sent a pair of shorts that were just too tight. I didn't put them on, but I was gonna put them on with this shirt, which is cute. It's like an olive color. I love the wash on it. I like the cut. It shows a little too much bra, but I still think it is really, really cute. And I don't have anything like it. I like the cut of it. I like the V in the front and the back. I have different bras that go down a little bit lower, so I think it would be okay. I do think it's fun. It's really a soft material. I think it's cotton. It's a bit wrinkly right now, which is something I'll have to keep in mind because I don't iron. So we'll have to see about that. Unless it can get unwrinkled in the dryer, it doesn't ever get worn. So that's a factor to keep in mind. Okay, so then these pants. Who are these pants by? Zella again. So Zella is a weird brand for me. The fabrics are so unusual, I think. So these are like they're leggings, right? However, they have a double seam down the side and they're cuffed at the bottom like a jogger, but they fit everywhere like a legging. So I'm not sure how I feel about them. If they're, I mean, they're fine. I like them, but they're just got my brain tied in a knot. Are they a legging? Are they a jogger? They're both. So I'm not totally sure when I would wear these. I mean, I guess I could wear them anytime I wanted. I don't know. Because I usually work out in leggings, but hang out in joggers. What do I do? All right, first world problems. Okay, the last thing are these little gems, pun intended. Look at them. They're so sparkly. I am not sure this is my style. They're really cute. They're by Naturalizer, so you know that they feel nice on. I just don't think that's my style. My sister would totally love these, but they're fun. They're cute. Okay, let me go try on the last shirt and I'll be right back. Okay, this is gonna be a tough one, people. So the last thing is this shirt. All right, it's got this little, I think they're called eyelet sleeves, and they're puffy, and I really like it, but my daughter's like, I know that you'll like it. Which I'm not sure is quite the endorsement I was looking for, but I do kind of like a puffy sleeve. It's like a t-shirt, which is fun and casual and comfy, but with fun puffy sleeves. Okay, so I got these shoes off of her feet and she really liked them, as did I, and they're pretty fun. I will say the only thing I noticed when she was walking around in them in the house, she was like clunk, clunk, clunk. So they're a bit clunky and I felt like she was like walking kind of wide. They're just heavy, I think, but they're really cute. So it wouldn't stop me from getting them. Okay, but what would stop me are the prices. Okay, so these fun sparkly gem sandals are $89. Not my style, but super cute. Okay, the Not So Basic t-shirt by Sanctuary, which is this one, is $41.40, which I think that's a good price. I got some Levi shorts that are really for teeny tiny people, and even if I could button them, they were really, really short, so they are kind of meant for somebody I feel like a little bit younger than me. Just the cut, they're really high-waisted, they're adorable, they're just more my daughter's style. The V-neck t-shirt by Madewell is $19.50, which I swear every time they send a Madewell like t-shirt or tank top and I get them because I just love them. This sleeveless dress by Zella is $69. That's not terrible. It just wasn't a great fit for my body. So unfortunately, I really wanted this one to look, well, look nice, but just didn't quite go. The striped linen pants, oh, those aren't bad, $59. Are they worth $59? Should I go to Costco instead? They'll have to be tailored, they'll have to be hemmed. What do you think? It's a tough one. Okay, the Twill swing tank top, this one in like the olivey color, this is $49. What do you think about that? And then the tote, oh no! The tote is $99. I mean, $99, let's be honest, $99 is not a bad price for a bag. Not a bad, I mean, that's a cheap bag, I think, for a lot of the purses that I purchase. However, if I was gonna get a bag like this, it was just kind of fun and whimsical and not something I used all the time, I'd probably go to Target and get it. Oh, that's so cute with a little gem head face thing on it. Man, that's a tough one. That's real cute. Okay, so I did notice on here that there's something missing from my box, or something got swapped out, because what I'm not seeing are these Zella pants. Or sorry, I'm seeing these Zella pants, but I'm missing a BB Dakota dress, maxi dress. So I'm gonna have to send them a note and say something got a little bit off on my box. So I don't know what price these are. Weird, I haven't had them mess up something like that before. This is a super tough box, you guys. Usually I always get the purses, but I'm not sure I'd spend $100 on that particular purse. Yeah, I don't even know. I don't know what I'm gonna get. Ah! All right, well, if you like my video, give it a thumbs up. If you have never tried Trunk Club, I'm really enjoying it. And I'll put my referral code down below so that you can give it a go. If you like these videos, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care. Bye.